How to see recently viewed pin on Pinterest. It's pretty quick and easy, so before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Pinterest app and then click on any random pin or board, whatever it is. If you want to see your recently viewed pin on Pinterest, you can do this. Just click on your profile icon and then click on the three dots at the very top and then proceed to your settings. Now you can see the option how home feed tuner. Just click on home feed tuner and now you can see your activity, your all recently viewed pin, picture, board, whatever it is. You can easily see your all recent history with date. In this way, you can easily get your viewed pins on Pinterest. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.